To any normal observer, these videos show Apollo astronauts working and moving on the lunar surface. As one would expect, their movements are slower and more graceful, as the moon has only 1/6 gravity of that of Earth. But to conspiracy theorists, these videos show something more. The theory goes that NASA knew they would be required to provide videos of the lunar landings. To simulate the appearance of working within 1/6 gravity, they shot footage at normal speed and then slowed it down. This, apparently, gives the images the required buoyancy and lightness man would display if on the moon. The conspiracy theorists continue, saying that if one speeds up the footage from the lunar landings, you will see that they are actually just walking, moving, lifting and carrying things as they would as on Earth. So we're going to take the conspiracy theorists at their word and do exactly as they say. First, we return to Apollo 17 with Harrison Jack Schmitt during his mission to Taurus Littrow. This is the video at the official NASA speed. So now, if we speed up the footage, we should see that it is apparent that the entire mission, everything Harrison Schmitt is doing, and every single stumble and fall shows that he is actually operating, probably within a soundstage, on Area 51. The footage is sped up to twice its normal speed. We now move on to more familiar footage of Buzz Aldrin during Apollo 11 descending the ladder. This is the footage in normal time. Again, the movements are more precise and clear, but ask yourself this: if you stood at a ladder on Earth, could you lift yourself up using just your hands that quickly? We don't think we could, and we're pretty sure even Aldrin couldn't. Therefore, he must have been assisted by the lower gravity on the moon. Finally, we go back to Apollo 16 in the Dakar Highlands as John Young and Charlie Duke try to set up a photograph. Once again, the footage is shown first in normal time. Once again, there is no doubt that the movements are more clear, more defined and more precise, and they do look slightly more similar to what you would see on Earth. However, watch John Young as he moves towards Charlie Duke and the flag. Could you run like this on Earth? A final note goes to the actual conspiracy theorists. We've done exactly what you've said we should do. We've sped up the video, and we don't think any of the movements performed by the astronauts in these videos could be replicated on the gravity on Earth.